Hi, this video is here to help you solve algebra problems with two unknown values. If you haven't already watched our other algebra videos, it might be useful to go back and watch those first. In these examples, there is only one possible solution. Each unknown has a set value, so we need to use the information we've been given to work out what these values are. Drawing a bar model can help with this. Let's take a look at our first example. X plus y equals 16 and x minus y equals 4. To find the values of x and y, we need to start by drawing a bar model and labelling it with the information we've been given. We are going to draw one bar to represent x and one to represent y. We know that x is greater than y because when you take y away from x, we have 4 left. So x will be represented by the longer bar. The first equation tells us that x add y equals 16, so we can label our bar model accordingly, like this. We also know that the difference between x and y is 4, because x minus y equals 4, so we can label this too. Now we have a visual representation of the problem. We can see that the right-hand side of the bar representing x is equal to 4. 16 subtract 4 equals 12. So the remaining part of the x bar and the y bar add together to make 12. As these parts are equal, they must both be equal to 6. Now we can see that x is equal to 10 and y is equal to 6. Now it's your turn. Draw a bar model to help solve these equations. X add y equals 24 and x subtract y equals 8. How did you get on? Your bar model should look something like this. X equals 16 and y equals 8. We can check if we are right by substituting the values back into the equations. X plus y equals 24 and 16 add 8 equals 24. X minus y equals 8 and 16 minus 8 equals 8. So our values are correct. Now let's take a look at a slightly different type of question. If s add t equals 25 and t is 4 times the size of s, what are the values of s and t? This time our bar model would look like this. The bar representing t will be 4 times the size of the bar representing s. We know that the total of the bars is 25, so we can add that information to our bar model. We can see that there are 5 equally sized sections altogether, and they add up to make 25. 25 divided by 5 equals 5, so each section must equal 5. Now we know that the value of s equals 5, and the value of t equals 4 multiplied by 5, which is 20. Can you solve a similar problem? A add b equals 12, and a is 1/3 the size of b. What are the values of a and b? Here is a bar model representation of the problem. A equals 3 and b equals 9. I hope this video helped you understand how to solve algebra problems with two unknowns. Remember that if you are stuck, you can rewatch this video or the other algebra videos that we've got on the Twinkl website.